Revolutionizing farming, the impact of drones in agriculture. The impact of drones on agriculture. The effect of drones on agriculture has been tremendous. Drones have made it feasible for farmers to reveal their fields with extra accuracy and efficiency. The information accumulated via means of drones may be used to become aware of regions of the sphere that want attention. This enables farmers to optimize using assets like water and fertilizer. Drones have additionally made it feasible for farmers to stumble on pests and sicknesses of their plants at an early stage. Drones have additionally made it feasible for farmers to spray their plants with insecticides and fertilizers with extra accuracy. This has decreased the number of chemical compounds utilized in farming and has made farming extra green. Drones have additionally made it feasible for farmers to cull huge regions of land in a short length of time. This has decreased the effort and time required for farming and has made farming extra efficient. Types of drones used in agriculture. There are unique forms of drones utilized in agriculture. The maximum, not unusual place form of drone utilized in agriculture is the quadcopter. Quadcopters are small, agile, and may fly at low altitudes. They are ready with cameras and sensors, which can seize excessive decision photos of the land. Form of drones utilized in agriculture is the fixed-wing drone. Fixed-wing drones are large and may cull large regions of land. They are ready with cameras and sensors, which can seize excessive decision photos of the land. Fixed-wing drones are also ready with GPS structures, which can assist farmers to map their fields. Agri's T40 Agriculture Drone features and benefits. The Agri's T40 Agriculture Drone is a famous drone utilized in agriculture. The Agri's T40 is ready with a 10-liter tank and may spray as much as 40 acres of land in an unmanned flight. The Agri's T40 is likewise ready with a GPS gadget that can assist farmers to map their fields. The Agri's T40 is simple to perform and may be managed from away. Location. The Agri's T40 is ready with an excessive decision digital, which can seize photos of the fields. The photos captured via the Agri's T40 may be used to reveal the fitness of the plants, become aware of regions that want attention, and optimize using assets like water and fertilizer. The Agri's T40 is likewise ready with sensors, which can stumble on pests and businesses inside the plants. This enables farmers to take well-timed motions and save the unfold of sicknesses. DJI Agriculture Drones features and benefits. DJI is a famous emblem that manufactures drones for agriculture. DJI Agriculture Drones are available in unique styles and sizes and are ready with cameras and sensors, which can seize excessive decision photos of the land. DJI Agriculture Drones are also ready with GPS structures, which can assist farmers to map their fields. DJI Agriculture Drones are clean to perform and may be managed from a faraway location. DJI Agriculture Drones also ready with sensors that can stumble on pests and sicknesses inside the plants. This enables farmers to take well-timed motions and save the unfold of sicknesses. Uses of drones in agriculture: crop monitoring and spraying. Drones are utilized in agriculture for crop tracking and spraying. Drones can seize excessive decision photos of the land that may be used to reveal the fitness of the plants. The photos captured via drones can also be used to become aware of regions of the land that want attention. Drones also used for spraying insecticides and fertilizers on plants. The insecticides and fertilizers may be sprayed with extra accuracy, decreasing the number of chemical compounds utilized in farming. This makes farming extra green and sustainable. Advantages of using drones in agriculture. There are numerous blessings of the use of drones in agriculture. Drones can seize excessive decision photos of the land that may be used to reveal the fitness of the plants. The photos captured via drones also be used to become aware of regions of the fields that want attention. This enables farmers to optimize using assets like water and fertilizer. Drones also stumble on pests and sicknesses inside the plants at an early stage. This enables farmers to take well-timed motion and save you the unfold of sicknesses. Drones can also spray insecticides and fertilizers on plants with extra accuracy. This reduces the number of chemical compounds utilized in farming and makes farming extra green and sustainable. The cost of using drones in agriculture. The price of the use of drones in agriculture can range relying on the form of drone and the capabilities it offers. The price of a simple quadcopter drone can begin at around $1,000. However, extra superior drones with capabilities like GPS structures and excessive precision cameras can cost up to $10,000. Despite the excessive price, using drones in agriculture can result in sizable financial savings over the lengthy run. Drones can assist farmers to optimize using assets like water and fertilizer, decreasing the general price of farming. Future of farming with drones: organic farming, vertical farming, and sustainable agriculture. The destiny of farming with drones appears promising. Drones may be used to assist natural farming, vertical farming, and sustainable agriculture. Drones may be used to reveal the fitness of plants in natural farms, decreasing the want for artificial insecticides and fertilizers. Drones also be used to reveal the fitness of plants in vertical farms that are turning into extra famous in city regions. Drones also assist sustainable agriculture by optimizing using assets like water and fertilizer. This can lower the general price of farming and make farming extra green. Government initiatives to promote the use of drones in agriculture. Governments around the sector are selling drones in agriculture. In India, the Agriculture Department has released an application known as AgriSnet to promote the use of drones in agriculture. In the US, the Department of Agriculture has launched a program called DJI Agriculture to support the use of drones in agriculture. Thank you for watching. Subscribe and hit the bell icon so you will never miss any of our new video.